Hi, this is Andrew from ASUS. Today I'm going to show you how to enable AiMesh on my existing router and the new router, so that both of them can work in tandem to extend coverage. During the setup process, it's possible to connect to the router wirelessly via Wi-Fi, although I'd suggest to use an Ethernet cable to avoid connecting to the wrong hotspots inadvertently. Type in router.asus.com. From the user interface, click on the firmware shortcut. When the AiMesh icon appears, we need to revert to defaults. First, click on Administration. Select the Restore tab. Click on Restore. Should just take a minute for it to complete. I'm going to switch my main router from the RT-AC68U to the RT-AC86U, since this has more features. The extra features will also be available on all extending modes. Complete setting up my access to the internet. It's time to update the firmware on the RT-AC86U as well, using the same process. Once confirmed, the AiMesh icon will appear. Activate AiMesh. Select the RT-AC68U as the extending node. Click Apply. When the routers are synced, click OK to finish the process. Let's move my extending router to a place where I need better reception. Now I'm using my existing router as my extending node so that I can extend the coverage to this area of the house. For me, the bar is a great place to use because there's open space and I can get great reception to the main router. As you can see, the whole process is actually pretty straightforward. To make things even easier, you can manage your router, you can add new nodes by just using the ASUS Router app on your phone. Well, that's all from me today. This is Andrew from ASUS. Thank you for watching.